Meaning of doofus.
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 Doofus. Doofus is a slang term used to describe a foolish or inept person. It's often used in a light-hearted or teasing manner, but can also be used as an insult. The term originated in the United States in the mid-20th century and has since gained widespread use. Being called a doofus may result in feelings of embarrassment, shame, or annoyance, depending on the context and relationship between the speaker and the person being referred to. In some cases, being called a doofus may be taken as a sign that one needs to improve their behavior or skills.